In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Facebook lead form to Google Sheets. To do this, we are going to use Zapier, which is an automation tool that connects apps together. In this case, we want new leads from a Facebook lead form to automatically appear as new rows in a Google Sheet, so you can track and follow up without manual copying. Start by going to Zapier and landing on your homepage. Once you are there, look for the search bar near the top of the page. This search field is where you can find ready-made automations called templates. Using a template is the fastest way to set this up because it already includes the basic connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. Click into the search bar, then type the keywords that match what you need. You can enter something like Facebook lead ads, Google Sheets, so Zapier can surface the relevant options. As you type, you should see suggestions and results appear below the search area. Next, click the result that relates to Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. If you see a general option first, click into it so you can view more specific templates. Continue selecting the matching highlighted result until you arrive at the template with the exact purpose we want. Now choose the template called Capture New Leads from Facebook Lead Ads and Log Details in Google Sheets. This is the one that is designed specifically for moving lead form submissions into a spreadsheet. Opening this template should bring you to a page that shows what the automation will do, typically with Facebook Lead Ads as the trigger and Google Sheets as the action. On the template page, click Try It. This starts the setup process and it will guide you through connecting your accounts and confirming the basic workflow. Take your time as you begin and make sure you are signed in to the correct Facebook and Google accounts in your browser so Zapier can connect smoothly. Once you click Try It, you are officially on the path to sending new Facebook leads straight into Google Sheets in an organized way, which makes reporting and follow-up much easier. And that is all there is to it.